Hey guys, welcome to Hello-Haus. We hope you're doing good and safe at this pandemic time. Today we will share the tips with you how to fix or repolish the scratches wooden floor with shoe polish wax. May these tips will be super helpful to you, and of course it will be super duper cheap. Now we show you the shoe polish wax. Make sure you pick the right wax color, follow from what you need. First, pick up the right amount of the shoe polish wax, but please make sure you guys need to use any clean towel and gently rub the surface of the floor. And after you keep rubbing and massage gently, check it out, it looks amazingly brand new. And Steve is rubbing the wax. Especially this damaged floor, you can see how wonderfully it's working when you apply the wax on top of the floor, but sometimes you might need to coat at least to fix the imperfections. Getting the wax and massage, rubbing onto the surface, so it's obviously look like a brand new. Does it wonderful, right? You need to spend a lot of money. You just get any shoe polish wax that you have in your cabinet, take them out, but please make sure that the color is matches to your floor and you can use it. And I'm sure that your floor will be totally look like a brand new. Super. Yeah, we show you again how Steve pick up the amount of the wax and he keep rubbing on the scratches area, so you can see how beautiful the wax working on the damaged floor or the scratches floor, and obviously it looks brand new. Even you can see if is there any tiniest lines in the floor, you can also apply on it. If you have any questions or you would like to share something, you can just leave a comment down below and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Hello-Haus, and we'll see you again. Bye!